Butter is high in saturated fat, which can raise your bad cholesterol and make heart disease more likely. You're better off to replace butter with olive oil or vegetable oil-based spreads, which contain heart-healthy mono and polyunsaturated fats. If you have high cholesterol, a spread with stanol is even better. Regular use can help lower your LDL cholesterol levels. Flavored, full-fat yogurt. Yogurt can be a super source of nutrition. Eating it regularly might protect you from high blood pressure. But watch the kind you buy. Flavored yogurts are full of added sugar, with its links to weight gain, high blood pressure, inflammation, and heart disease. For the healthiest choice, get plain low-fat yogurt and add your own fresh fruit, cinnamon, or vanilla for flavor. French fries. The deep-fried potatoes from restaurants and fast food places have lots of fat and salt, which is bad news for your heart. One study found that people who ate French fries or hash browns 2 to 3 times a week were more likely to die early. If you indulge, get the smallest portion possible or split your order. Even better, make your own oven-baked fries with heart-healthy olive oil. They'll be even better for you if you use sweet potatoes. Fried chicken. Deep frying chicken adds calories, fat, and sodium to an otherwise healthy food. Studies have linked fried food with type 2 diabetes, obesity, and high blood pressure, all of which raise your odds of heart failure. For a crispy but healthier choice, bread skinless chicken breasts in whole wheat flour and bake instead of frying. Canned soup. Soup can be an easy way to get more vegetables, protein, and fiber. But watch out for unhealthy ingredients. Canned soup often has lots of sodium, which can cause high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, and heart failure. And any cream-based soup has unhealthy saturated fat. The healthiest way to enjoy soup is to make it from scratch with a low-sodium broth. If you do buy prepared soup, check the label for the least salt and fat. Ice cream. Ice cream is high in sugar, calories, and saturated fat, so save it for a special treat. Eating foods loaded with fat and sugar leads to weight gain. It can also drive up your triglycerides and lead to a heart attack. Cut your calories and fat by choosing sorbet, low-fat or non-fat frozen yogurt, or frozen fruit bars. Check the label for the least amount of sugar and saturated fat. Potato chips. Potato chips are one of the foods that contribute most to weight gain. And not only are they loaded with saturated fat, they're also covered in salt, which is also linked to heart disease. Skip the lower sodium or low-fat potato chips. They'll just leave you hungry again. The most nutritious snacks combine healthy proteins, carbs, and fats, like whole grain crackers, with low-fat cheese or homemade popcorn tossed with olive oil. The most nutritious snacks combine healthy proteins, carbs, and fats, like whole grain crackers with low-fat cheese or homemade popcorn tossed with olive oil.